Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
First, check whether motion sensor drift actually occurs on your Joy-Con. Hold the controller steady for 10 seconds and watch cursor movement closely. Next, navigate to System Settings and then Controllers and Sensors. Select Calibrate Motion Controls and follow on-screen prompts for 10 seconds per controller. If calibration stops the drift, continue normal play. If drift persists, power down the console by holding the power button for 12 seconds and then restart to retry the calibration sequence. Remove the Joy-Con by sliding it down along the rail and then off the console. Inspect the rail area and internal seams for dust, hair, or debris near the accelerometer area. Use compressed air in 3 to 4 short bursts at a distance of 3 to 5 inches to avoid moisture buildup. Wipe accessible surfaces with a lint-free cloth slightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Inspect rails and electrical contacts for corrosion or bent pins before reattaching the controller. Ensure the console runs the latest firmware by opening System Settings, then System Update. Detach the Joy-Con and press the small sync button for 5 seconds to perform a controller reset. Reattach the controller and test motion after a quick restart. If problems continue, consider internal inspection only if you have tools and experience. Use a tri-wing screwdriver and 2 0mm picks, remove 3 screws, and check the flex cable connection to the accelerometer carefully for loose contacts or damage.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.